Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fun and creative way to enhance your VPN browsing experience by adding custom, colorful banners and text to your HTTP custom app. Whether you want to personalize your setup or simply make it stand out, we've got you covered. So let's jump right into it and bring some color to your VPN experience. Section 1. Creating colorful text on Patoric.com. To start off, let's create some colorful text for our VPN setup. Open any browser and navigate to Patoric.com. On the home page, you'll notice several options, including an input text area. This is where the magic happens. Type in the custom text you want to transform. Explore the options available, like choosing the number of colors and other customization features. Once you're satisfied with your selection, hit the Create button. Your colorful text is now generated. Click on Select All to highlight the entire text. Copy this vibrant text to your clipboard. We'll be using it shortly. Section 2. Adding custom colorful banners to HTTP Custom. Now that we have our colorful text ready, let's add it to our HTTP Custom app. Open HT Custom on your device with an unlocked file loaded in it. Tap the plus icon at the bottom of your screen to load additional options. Click on the Save Config button. This will open a new window with various configuration options. Give your configuration a meaningful name and select the boxes for Lock All, Note, and Custom Server Message. A text box will appear after you check the Note and Custom Server Message options. Paste the colorful text HTML code you copied earlier into this box. Once you leave the text box, you'll see the colorful text displayed in the configuration preview. Finally, hit Save to store your custom settings. Section 3. Loading the configuration and connecting to the VPN. We're almost done. Let's load our configuration and see the colorful magic in action. Click on the plus icon once more, but this time select Open Config to load the file you've just created. Choose your configuration file from the HTTP custom folder. Once the file is loaded, you'll notice the colorful text displayed in the note area, just as we intended. Now, click the Connect button to start your VPN connection. Once your VPN is connected, you'll see the vibrant and colorful server message displayed, adding a personal touch to your browsing experience. And there you have it. You've successfully created and added custom colorful banners and text to your HTTP custom VPN setup. Now you can enjoy a personalized and more engaging browsing experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks to enhance your VPN experience. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.